Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the DPI settings on your LG G6. Unfortunately, you can't really change the resolution of this phone. You can, however, change a few other things. So you can go into settings, here go into display. First thing you can change is of course the fonts. You can change the font type to whichever one you find the most pleasant to your eyes. You can change the font size to be bigger or smaller depending on your needs. You can change the text to be bold, which will possibly help you out when reading it. You can change upscaling to change the screen size of apps. As you can see on the preview, you can keep it on standard, full screen, which as you can see on the right option makes it a bit taller, or compatibility, which might cause it to look a bit weird but could potentially help with some apps. After choosing your option, click OK. It may give you a warning. You can of course change it back if it turns out to not work as you wanted it to. You can change the display size, which will change the size of the icons. As you can see right here, make the icons bigger or smaller depending on what you want from them. You can also change comfort view on, which is basically the blue light filter. Turn it on, you can keep it low, medium, high, or make everything black and white. And that's it about DPI settings on this phone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.